Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. There's always room for. My name is Kim and today we're back in the kitchen for episode 4 of my What the Bleep to Do with All of These Girl Scout Cookies series. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel. This is my attempt at using up all of the Girl Scout cookies that I've been buying from my favorite dealers and transforming them into different desserts. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make my banana cream pie parfaits using the Girl Scout shortbread cookies. But if you like peanut butter, I highly suggest you swap out the shortbread cookies for the peanut butter sandwich cookies for an extra salty peanut buttery treat. Let's get started. Here's a list of ingredients that you'll need. Recipe conversions are in the description box below. Use a food processor to crush cookies until finely ground. Add the cookie crumbs, melted butter, and salt in a medium mixing bowl and stir until combined. Set the crumb mixture aside. Next, take out your serving dishes. This recipe will make about 20 mini tumblers. You can also use ramekins, mason jars, a trifle dish, or even a casserole dish. Distribute the crumb mixture evenly into your serving dishes. I actually chose to do 10 mini tumblers here and save the rest for a larger dessert. Next, it's time to make the filling. This is a super simple way to make a rich vanilla pastry cream. In a large bowl, combine your vanilla pudding mix, heavy cream and milk, whip until thick and fluffy, scraping the bowl down halfway. I like to add a couple of pinches of salt to contrast the sweetness of the pudding powder. If you're using small serving cups, place the pastry cream into a piping bag. If you're making a trifle, you can just spoon the cream into your container. Now it's time to slice your banana. I like to cut 1/4 inch thick slices. If you don't want to use bananas, you can substitute with any fruit you like. Strawberries work really nicely here too. Place 1 slice of banana into each mini cup, or spread the bananas on top of your crumb layer if you're making a larger trifle. Then add your pastry cream on top. I try to make sure that I completely cover the banana slices so they don't get any air and they won't brown. Because I usually make this dessert 1 to 2 days ahead of time, I find that this amount of banana is just enough, as the banana flavor will permeate the pastry cream and the flavor will intensify. But if you want more banana flavor, feel free to split the pastry cream layer and add more bananas in between. Top with Cool Whip or stabilized whipped cream, and add a banana chip on top. I like to use the actual fruit as a decoration on top of these parfaits so that you know exactly what you're getting. Without the banana chip on top of this dessert, it could be mistaken for a plain vanilla treat, and someone that doesn't like bananas would be in for a surprise. Plus, I think they make the parfaits look really pretty. Here's the finished product. And that's a wrap on today's recipe for my banana cream pie parfaits. I really like serving them in these little individual plastic containers because it makes it really easy for your guests to grab them and go whenever they want dessert. It eliminates the steps of having to slice the dessert and serve it and put it on a plate. It really just makes things a lot easier. If you don't want to splurge on these little containers, I know they can be a little bit pricey and you're just tossing them, so it can be kind of a waste. A really good alternative would be to use up baby food jars or even the yogurt containers. I think Yoplait Wee, the little glass pots that the yogurt comes in, those would be great for desserts like this. So I would save them up and use them that way. That is all for today. Thank you guys for tuning in and following along. My name is Kim, and don't forget, there's always room for dessert. I'll see you guys next time. Bye! think this project has kind of backfired on me because I've bought more cookies than I ever have in my entire life this season in preparation for all of these recipes. But obviously I'm only using one box per recipe and I don't need all of them, but that means more treats for other people because the more videos I make, the more I give away my desserts because I can't finish them myself. I can't eat them all. So more cookies purchased equals more treats for everybody else. Will you be the lucky recipient of one of my transformed Girl Scout cookie treats?